6 Great Techniques to Speed Up Body Fat Loss. Box Rocks. Health and fitness are important in today's fast-paced world, with body fat loss being a significant aspect. Excess fat can lead to serious health risks and complications. Many individuals are seeking effective ways to shed unwanted fat, leading to the development of various fat loss techniques. This guide explores 6 proven techniques to accelerate the fat loss process, helping to achieve a lean, healthy body. The first technique is high-intensity interval training, HIIT, a dynamic workout method that alternates between short, intense exercise bursts and brief recovery periods. HIIT effectively elevates the heart rate, leading to higher calorie burn and fat loss. The second technique emphasizes a balanced and nutrient-dense diet. Incorporating lean proteins, fiber-rich foods, healthy fats, and limiting refined carbs and sugars can support efficient metabolism and fat burning.